Okay, this is a quick video on how to get your columns to sum up. I have 3 columns here, each with numbers in them, and I've left spaces on purpose to show you it'll work with spaces as well. And what we're going to do is we're going to be putting sum or totals at the bottom of here that add up each column. So the formula actually is called sum, S-U-M. So I'm just going to label this totals. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here, and we're going to put a formula in here that adds up this range of cells. Now, I don't have numbers in these, so I could just click, like for example, if I didn't have numbers in these ones, I could just click and say sum just these cells up. But we're also going to be dragging this formula across to the different columns. And if I did that, this column here would only sum up these, and then it would be missing some numbers. So let me show you how to do it. It's actually really easy. There is a formula builder here that lets you click and choose formulas and helps you with understanding. But you can see here the syntax for sum is this: the formula is sum, and then in parentheses you're going to put what do you want it to add up. In this case, I'm not going to put numbers. I'm going to put actually cells. And this cell, for example, is called C3. It's in row 3, it's column C. And I could actually do C1, C3, C4, C5, etc. But you can also use a colon, and it's C3 through C21. But it's really easy. You just drag and drop. So let me show you how it works. I click here. I click here. I type equals sum, open parentheses, and then I'll drag. I'm going to go up here and select, and I'm going to click on this cell and hold my mouse down while I drag. And you'll see, if I let go, it's filled out the range here. See it there, you can see it here. So this means a range from C3 through and including C21. And then you're supposed to add an end parentheses, but if you just hit enter, it does it for you. And you can see it's added that up to 127. If I were to modify this in and add a new number, it updates automatically because it's summing this entire range up. What's really cool about it is I can take it and I can drag it across using this little control handle here by clicking on it and dragging it across these 2 cells, and it's actually going to modify the formula for each. So this was the sum of C3 through C27. This one changes the sum of D3 through D21. I'm sorry, this was C3 through C21, and this is D, and this is E, and it automatically knows to sum up the other columns. So that's why when I selected this one, I selected the entire column, because when I knew I wanted to drag it over, I want this one to total the entire column, and this one to total the entire column, and this one here had numbers lower in the column than this one did. So that's how you get it to do your totals. One last thing is, if you ever want to check a sum, let's just say I want to check the sum of these 3 cells. Well, there's a neat little shortcut. You can just kind of drag across 3 of them, and there's a quick sum down here where it actually gives you the sum of what you have highlighted. So if you were just curious, that's how you do it. Hope that helps. Love you.